name is Jonathan Choi. I am a staff attorney here at the Legal Aid Bureau of Buffalo, and I work for the Attorneys for the Children's Unit. I am an attorney for the child, commonly referred to as an AFC, and we are appointed by the Family Court pursuant to Section 249 of the Family Court Act. And so that entails handling Article 10 cases, which is abuse and neglect. I do custody and visitation. I also do juvenile delinquency, as well as persons in need of supervision. So as an AFC, my job is to provide a client-centered holistic advocacy. And that includes interviewing with the child, investigating allegations set forth in the petition, ascertaining the child's position, evaluating legal remedies, and advising my client of their options, and finally doing what we can to achieve their goals. So my passion has always been about serving the indigent and the vulnerable community. It's always been something that I've been wanting to do. I actually had a career change from going from for-profit to non-for-profit, but that's why I came to law school. That's why I went to be an attorney. And Legal Aid Bureau, as many know, have done great works, especially the Legal Aid Bureau of Buffalo, have been serving the Western New York communities for over 100 years, to my understanding. And I believe a lot of people recognize the Legal Aid of Buffalo to be sort of the gold standard of providing these sort of advocacy. And knowing that the staff here provide passionate and zealous advocacy for their clients, I had to be part of it. So when I saw a chance to apply, I took it as soon as I could. If legal aid were to not to exist, in my opinion, it would be devastating to many of our clients. Strictly speaking, from Attorney for the Child's perspective, because it is the service that we provide is invaluable, because we not only have, in my opinion, some of the best attorneys in the field, our support staff is just amazing. We have some of the best social workers, the most competent child advocates, from data entry to our secretary, who all work diligently to make sure that a child's happiness is preserved. And that is what we do as a unit. And I cannot fathom sort of what impact it would bring if those services and resources would not be available to the clients that we serve. Those small victories, it is those small breakthroughs that really keeps us going, at least for myself. And to see that a child knows that their voice can be heard and will be heard in the court of law is something that empowers me every single day, because many of these children, they don't have a voice, whether they're in school or at home or amongst their peers. And to give them that power truly is inspiring.